This is the elevator at Hamburg Hall, Carnegie Mellon University in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I'm not exactly sure what brand this is, but it has Adams call buttons, but GAL on the inside. Go to the basement. I'm guessing this was originally a Westinghouse though, but I think Columbia Elevator may have modernized this because of the thing. Here at the basement, go to 3. Someone did call it, I think. Door close button works. This building is under renovation, so I'm not going to be surprised if this gets modded. Now it did the floor pass and chime. It has that funky 1960s, 1970s smell to it. Here are 3. Go back down to 1. I do like how the door close button works on this elevator. Basic cab. I think this may have originally been a Westinghouse, but I don't know. There's an emergency light. Emergency light works. This was modernized a while ago. ADA phone. This building is under renovation, so I'm not going to be surprised if this gets modernized again. But right now it's original or older. Not original to the building now. See, yeah, this place is under renovation right now. There it goes, and that's it.